Hello and welcome everybody to this, the third Edward Stanford Travel Writing Awards, this year produced in association with Hayes & Jarvis.
Seafood is maybe the only thing we still massively capture out of wild, right? So it's a kind of mystery. And then there was a moment that I realized, or someone made me realize, that we need to take care of our oceans. 80% of our oceans are, or more than 80% are fished to the max or overfished. So we need to take care. So that was the point that I thought, okay, I'm going to start traveling and fish and cook and live together with all these amazing fishing communities doing the right job and fish in a sustainable way for our future. Yeah. Eating seafood, it's not that product what you're eating, it's the whole story around. So a tuna dish in the Maldives, which is amazing, they catch tuna with pole and line, tastes really different than eating the same dish here in London, for example. So when you're traveling, it gives a different experience when you eat it. So I'm proud of many dishes, and most of them are really local, and it's a heritage of the different countries, of the different communities we live with. Yeah. So I think if you're traveling, it's all about culture, and culture has a lot to do with food, and food has a lot to do with what you find in your neighborhood. And so what makes traveling really exciting is that if you go to all these different neighborhood locations and regions, you eat so many different stuff, and it's the most inspiring. It's not just the food, but it's the way of life, and that makes traveling really exciting. And bouillabaisse you can make with all these different species and ingredients of all over the world, but sharing just a pot of soup and seafood, local caught, is great enjoyment. Yeah. We need to realize where our food is coming from, and we need to take care for next generations. That's the message I would love to give. Yeah.
Thank you for being with us this evening. Congratulations to our winners. See you again next year. Happy traveling. Good night.